Hello! Managed to get half an hour out. Just want to show you something. I am doing the offside cupboards, above the tops. Yeah, these. Oh, they go like that, obviously. That's a bit of a shelf there. I'm going to put some ballast rail or whatever you want to call it. We're going to put a cupboard here, but decided not to. And I just want to show you this stuff here. It's called Talbot or winning post trim, and what it basically does, it goes on top and any errors that you've done, don't show. I shall show you some already done. There, can you see it? Oh, this just tidies everything off. Got a bit there which needs cleaning up because I forgot to put it on, so I cigar flexed it. So it needs cleaning up. Anyway, there's some there, look, goes all the way down there. Just tidies up, that's all. Yeah, so I'm on with that. Like I say, if you're doing any furniture or anything like that, you need some of this stuff, but beware that some sellers are trying to charge between £7.99 and £12 a metre. It isn't that. Don't get suckered in. £1 a metre. Well, I think it was £2.73 delivery. High peak conversions. Yeah, really good chap as well. Got some of this. I also got my router bit. All I need is a router. Anyway, right, so yeah, just thought I'd show you that stuff. It's good stuff. Hello again. Yeah, doing alright. That last clip that you just watched, that was yesterday, only did about half an hour. Anyway, I've been out for about an hour now and I've managed to get some cupboards up. There. Look alright, don't they? That's that trimmer on about, that grey stuff. Proper tidies it up. Looks alright. Yeah, looks good. Down this bottom end here, there'll be like some trim, like an angled beading, whatever it's called. I've fixed the cupboards with the blocks. There's one there, one over there. There's one in that corner. The roof is with screws going right into the roof. I think it looks alright. I really do. And I've just seen a mistake. Did it right. I can't cope with that. I'm going to have to sort it out. Oh, that's why. Right, anyway, yeah, that's that beading stuff. Cool, isn't it? Yeah. Right, so I shall crack on, try and get a bit more done. Hiya, apologies for not being on for a while, but like I told you before, things have been going on here, but it's finished now, it's over with. Right, things are still going to go a bit slow for a week or two, but anyway, I'm in today. I'll just show you what I'm on with. Right, as you know, I've done the cupboards, blah blah blah. Cut these out for the side of beds. I've routed, ready for the knocking trim, which I've got to get yet. I think I've got a gas on 240 hot water system sorted. So like I said, I've got that, but it's only gas, and I want 240 as well. Right, I've done this with I got a piece of sample trim sent. Doesn't look too bad, does it? You can't really see it right. Ah, there you are. Yeah, so I've got that in, screwed up. Today I'm going to put the water tank in, which is it's just straightforward putting back now, isn't it? I shouldn't have said straightforward, should I? Right, yeah, and then I'm going to what I'm going to do, yeah, put the water tank on there, and just like a mock-up, if you will, get all pipe work sorted, etc, etc. I'm going to put the batteries where they're supposed to be, ready for when Dave comes. He's up Scotland now, the lucky git. Yeah, and once that's done, which should take a couple of hours, well, 3 hours or so, in between fags, and like Tixella, cup of tea, he's always drinking tea, innit? Right, yeah, they're the batteries, 2 of. I've cut, which they're in house, I've cut 2 pieces, you know, for the backs of the cushions there, and 1 for there, but I need to put that cupboard in to, God, yeah, you know what I mean, don't you? Then I can get the width, and then I can start building the a bench seat there, ready for the table. There's going to be some wires going around here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to build a box, only a narrow one, but at the same time though, it's going to come in for some lats. I'm going to get some of these lats, not these, but I'm going to get some that come out of the box when you pull. It's like a concertina effect, if you will, and they'll come out and then sit on 2 ledges for where they do. It'll all become apparent anyway, but like I say, we're back in now. It's looking okay. Yeah, these are only temporary, these screws. It would just hold it on, because I forgot what I did with that, to be honest. I think of a tiger seal. Yeah, anyway, yeah, so they're coming out. Yeah, I need to put a little tiny strip on here, because it's lipped, you know what I mean. There must have been one on there before, and then obviously the trim goes on there, that corner trim stuff. But I want some not ballast rail. It's like I don't even know what name it is, so I can't search it. But I want some light oak, similar to that, similar to this. Right, okay. Managed to get water tank in, but in the process I have broke the filler outside. What it were, I couldn't push it back. So me being a heavy-handed, give it a kick. Yeah, get back, you bastard. Yeah, smashed it right through. Anyway, when I went outside to pick it up, we're all rusty inside, so it's having a good thing. Right, I've took the sender, well, not sender, it's for that, your water gauge. Anyway, this is what they look like. I don't know what that is on top, it's just crap. Anyway, yeah, the 2 prongs that go into 2 holes. Ah, that's it. And as far as I know, when the water goes high, anyway, this didn't work. Well, I don't think it did anyway. Look, can you see it? Build up a carbon and not carbon. I forgot what they call it now. That stuff. Can we see it? Can't really see it, can we? Bloody lights on phone, isn't it? Anyway, yeah. All that crap on bottom. That is possibly the cause. Well, I hope. So, yeah, just thought I'd show you what it looks like. That goes into your tank, water comes up, these are sensors, and sends a message to that. Doo-doo. Oh, right, managed to get the water tank in, water pump, piping, blah blah blah, ready for the water heater. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them, because when the batteries are there, they're isolated from everything. Then it's just contained, if you will. Normally, for anybody who doesn't know how to take these out, these brackets underneath these pieces there, underneath. For the life of me I can't find them, so what I'm going to do is make some, I don't know what to call them, stanchions? Well anyway, you know, yeah, I'm going to get some pieces and put them down like that, hold it up, but exactly the same height as what it is from there to the floor, you know what I mean, so it's like level. Not only that though, it'll give me something to work to box everything off. Yeah, like I say, I'm going to rate it side at pump, I'm going to come down, because like I say, 2 batteries are going in there, and also my charger, that's going to be going in there. Yeah, so yeah, it's coming on. Yeah, like I say, I'm not bothering about the cupboards there. I'm going to carpet it right up the wall, be warmer. Right, move this back a bit just to show you. Oh, this here was there. It's basically just holding the lats, stop them coming out. Right, that's what I'm talking about there. There should be a bracket, it goes there. So what I'm going to do is cut some, this wood here, well not this wood, but you know, put it underneath to the floor at the right height. Same at that side, etc, etc. Because it should be up here. You know, right up there. Anyway, it should be. Gutted. Right, so, yeah, and like I say, this is bang on. Oh, let me get around here, this will be better, won't it? Yeah, if I measure from there to the floor, then when I, yeah, measure from there to the floor, cut them and then put them underneath there, going down. Forgot about the water pipe. I'll sort that anyway. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, for easy maintenance, etc. I've had to put a T-joint there, because obviously it goes into water tank. But all my joints, I've decided, are going to be in here. Anything, joints, even me, I forgot what I'm on about now. Oh yeah, my connection for the toilet, 12 volt, anything is going to be below this level. So, right,